Welcome to Alex's Restoration Workshop, and let's enjoy today's show.
Alex finds a neglected Lamborghini covered in thick dust and cobwebs, its engine seized and tires flat. Wiping the hood reveals a faint yellow glint, but the paint is pitted and the intakes are clogged. In the workshop, Alex removes the bumper and headlights, leaving the car looking like a hollow shell. But the radiator's gone and the V10 exposed. Years of oily grime cover the mechanical heart. The car becomes skeletal as doors and seats are removed, revealing the stripped, dusty interior floor. High on the hoist, the wheels come off, exposing rusted brakes and a grimy, salt-coated suspension. High-pressure water blasts decades of barn debris away, slowly revealing the clean aluminum structure hidden beneath. The heavy V10 engine is hoisted out, leaving an empty cavern in the middle of the frame. Alex begins sanding the body, stripping away the old yellow paint to reveal raw, scuffed aluminum. Half the car is now bare metal, a patchwork of silver and dull yellow as sanding continues.
Now fully stripped, the car is a bare aluminum skeleton, showing the pure engineering beneath the paint. Using a hammer, Alex carefully smooths out ripples in the aluminum, ensuring the body is perfectly straight. A chemical degreaser cleans the metal, preparing the uniform silver surface for its first layer of primer. Masked in green tape and paper, the car is protected and ready for its transformation to begin. A layer of smooth gray primer covers the metal, turning the supercar into a uniform clay-like model. Alex wet sands the primer to a level finish, making the body ultra-smooth as water drips away. The engine is meticulously detailed, with new gaskets and painted manifolds restoring its former mechanical glory. New yellow coilovers and black control arms are installed, giving the chassis back its precision and strength. Inside, sound-deadening material is laid down, while the dashboard frame is carefully secured back in place. After a final inspection, the smooth primer is remasked, signaling that the car is ready for color.
Vibrant yellow pearl paint flows from the spray gun, finally returning the Lamborghini's iconic visual identity. The car glows in its new Giallo Midas coat, though it still lacks its final glossy finish. A high-gloss clear coat is applied, creating a deep, mirror-like reflection that brings the yellow to life. Alex buffs the clear coat to a flawless finish, making the yellow body shimmer under the lights. The silver Callisto rims are polished to a high luster, looking brand new with their pristine center caps. The clean V10 engine is lowered back home, filling the empty bay with its impressive mechanical presence. Plumbing and wiring are reconnected as the radiators return, slowly turning the shell back into a machine. The complex cooling system is bolted in, completing the front structure even while the skin is off. Alex aligns the driver's side door with precision, checking every gap against the shiny yellow paint. With doors and the engine decklet installed, the car's famous silhouette is finally nearly complete.
The front hood is latched and adjusted, creating smooth, continuous lines across the vibrant yellow body. Crystal clear headlights are wired in, giving the Lamborghini its predatory gaze back for the first time. The front bumper and new grills are aligned, finally completing the face of this stunning supercar. A new windshield is sealed in place, protecting the cabin as the project enters its final stage. The black leather dashboard is reinstalled, hiding the wiring and returning luxury to the rebuilt interior. Refurbished leather seats and the steering wheel are bolted in, making the cabin look factory fresh again. The new black fabric roof is stretched over its frame, sealing the car from the elements once more. New Pirelli tires on silver rims are tightened into place, finally giving the car its stance back. The car is lowered to the ground, its suspension settling as it sits on its wheels again. New oil and coolant are added, marking the final steps before the engine attempts to fire up.
The V10 roars to life for the first time in decades, filling the shop with powerful sound. Idling smoothly with its lights on, the car is now a fully functional machine, ready for anything. A final detail polish highlights the Lamborghini shield, ensuring every inch of the car is absolutely perfect. Alex stands back to admire the completed masterpiece, now fully restored to its original factory specifications. The car rolls towards the exit, its yellow pearl paint exploding with color as it hits sunlight. Outside, the transformation is staggering, as the once neglected barn find gleams brilliantly in the open air. On the open road, the engine shifts through gears perfectly, proving the restoration is a total success. High-speed acceleration brings the V10 to life, making the yellow car a vibrant streak on the horizon. At sunset, the golden light reflects off the yellow paint, celebrating the car's return to its glory. The restoration is complete, and the iconic Lamborghini stands proud, back to its original factory condition.